Hey y'all, today I want to share with you a deli paper technique. So first of all, let's talk about what is deli paper. Deli paper comes in a box and it is food grade paper. So I get my deli paper at Sam's Club, Costco, wherever. I'm sure Walmart has it, Amazon, any shop like that, and it is called deli paper because it's literally used for wrapping sandwiches, wrapping meat. It's like kind of waxy on one side, feels like paper on the other side. But what's awesome about this deli paper is it is absolutely fantastic for collage and monoprinting, and then using those monoprinted papers in collage. You can also make marks on them. You can draw on them. And that's what I want to show you today. I want to show you a drawing technique that I do using China markers. So China markers, this is actually, as far as I have found, these are the only colors that the China marker comes in, which is blue, green, yellow, red, and black. I haven't seen them in any other colors. This is basically it. And I mean, these China markers, I used to use them as a kid. I'm sure, loads of us, we had these China markers. I know my mom, she worked in an office and she always had black China markers in her desk. And I just remember, sometimes I would peel them, use them until I had to peel them again just because I wanted to peel them, which is so fun, which actually I'm going to show you right now because this yellow one really needs peeling. So if you've never used a China marker before, you don't sharpen them. You actually pull the string and then you peel the paper. And that just, it's basically like removing the wood in a pencil, except the paper acts as the wood. So we're just basically sharpening our pencil by removing the paper, and voila, there you go. You have a sharpened pencil. And I'm sure this would be absolutely fabulous to use somewhere for something. But not today. So here we go. Here's some deli papers that I have already drawn on that I just want to show you. And I don't necessarily think it matters what side you actually draw on. I'm actually feeling to see do I actually draw on the same side. I think I draw on no, because this one's drawn on the paper side. This one is drawn on the waxy side. I've never actually experimented to see if there is a difference. I don't really think there is. So let me just give you a really fast demo, and which is so this is the papery side. I'm actually going to draw on the slick side because that's just what I feel like doing today. So you just take your China marker and make marks on it. Now, why the China marker? The China marker is waxy, so it doesn't bleed, it doesn't run, it stays put. You can use matte medium over it. I like it because it looks like crayon. It actually has texture, and I like that texture. So this is it. I'm not gonna cover this whole sheet, and I will not bore you with me drawing page after page after page. You get the idea. You just need I'm sure other like permanent crayons is going to do the same. What you would really want to test is when you put the matte medium over it, does the matte medium pick it up? Does it run? If it's truly waxy, it really should not run. So that, you know, does it have to be China marker? No. Is China marker cool? Yes. Is China markers, I mean, these are like super inexpensive. Now they do wear down fast. Look how quick that this ran down, which is totally fine. Just switch to another color and go. I will say sometimes the string gets in the way. So I usually like to just kind of hold it back and for my drawing, that way I'm not like getting caught on the string. So that's just a little tip. Okay, so you get the idea. I want to show you ways that I have actually used it. So here is a sketchbook that I've got going. And what I did was this whole spread is covered with deli paper, different deli papers that I've drawn on. And the reason that I did this is because I didn't like the painting that I had underneath here. It was too busy. So a way that you can calm something down is by taking your sheer deli paper, collaging it onto the surface, and it's like looking through sheer curtains on a window. You can kind of see what's going on, you know, beyond, but it's veiled. So it's a super cool process. So let me show it to you on a canvas. So that is a sketchbook. And here's a canvas that I painted and wasn't nuts about what was going on. So I took the deli paper. You can even see, like, I'm a big circles person. So I just took a chunk of the deli paper and I collaged it down on top of the painted canvas. And I did use matte medium because, you know, a matte medium is acrylic. So acrylic sticks to acrylic. And the matte medium is clear. So once it interacts with the deli paper, it literally makes the deli paper even more transparent, which is awesome. It's like that sheer curtain that you can kind of see through. So this section has deli paper, this section is deli paper, and this section is deli paper that I drew on with the China marker. And you can see the China marker looks exactly as it does when you originally draw it. So I just wanted to introduce you to China markers and deli paper and show you one of the ways I use it, because I actually I use this deli paper. I do monoprint on it, and I also will draw on it with acrylic paint. So the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, y'all. Get you some deli paper from one of the big box stores. Hunt down some China markers, and happy drawing on sandwich paper. Happy creating, y'all.